Well, I'm sharing one of my best lessons I've learned from one of my mentors. He said to me, time is the best currency you can ever find in this world. So basically, time is money. So I'm sharing this with all my students to say, don't chase money. Just work hard and harder and hardest on how you spend your time, because that's your money. You don't need to chase money. You don't need to, you know, your best currency is time. So you gotta work out how well you manage your time, how well you spending your time, and what do you spend your time for what? Then that's your money. Because if honestly, if you're not just if you're not spending your time very well, then damn, forget about money. Because time is um, I I also like to share the view with them that procrastination versus time management versus goals is a very, very tricky situation. So you decide what you focus on.